Garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar, unveiling the secret elixirs of health. Introduction. Unlocking the potency of nature's remedies. In the quest for enhanced health and vitality, many turn to nature's bounty, seeking remedies that have stood the test of time. Among these, garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar hold a place of honor. Each of these ingredients is more than just a kitchen staple. They are powerhouses of nutrition and healing, backed by both ancient tradition and modern science. The power of garlic, nature's antibiotic. Garlic, known scientifically as Allium sativum, has been revered for centuries for its extensive health benefits. Recognized for its potent antibacterial and antiviral properties, garlic acts as nature's antibiotic. It contains allicin, a compound that is released when garlic is chopped or crushed. Allicin not only gives garlic its distinctive smell, but also serves as a powerful antimicrobial agent, effective against a multitude of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Beyond its infection-fighting capabilities, garlic is a formidable ally against cardiovascular diseases. It aids in reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels, thus helping to prevent the common precursors to heart attacks and strokes. Furthermore, garlic's anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial in combating autoimmune conditions and promoting overall immune health. The sweet healer, honey's therapeutic virtues. Moving from the pungent to the sweet, honey is far more than a mere sweetener. This golden liquid, produced by bees using the nectar from flowers, is laden with therapeutic properties. Honey has been used in medicine since ancient times, with records dating back to 2100 BC. Its health benefits are as sweet as its taste, ranging from soothing sore throats and boosting energy to healing wounds and combating infections. Honey's healing powers are largely attributed to its antibacterial and antioxidant properties. The presence of hydrogen peroxide and a high sugar concentration makes honey an effective antimicrobial agent. Moreover, its rich antioxidant content helps reduce oxidative stress in the body, which is linked to numerous chronic health conditions including cancer and heart disease. The versatile elixir, apple cider vinegar's multifaceted benefits. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, a product of fermented apple juice, is another gem in the treasure chest of natural remedies. Its health benefits are as varied as they are significant. ACV is particularly known for its role in weight management, blood sugar regulation, and improved digestion. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is thought to have an anti-glycemic effect, which is beneficial for those monitoring their blood sugar levels. Additionally, ACV can boost skin health due to its antibacterial properties, making it a popular choice for natural skincare routines. It balances the skin's pH and combats bacterial infections, leading to clearer, more vibrant skin. Moreover, its detoxifying properties make it a staple in detox diets, aiding in liver detoxification and overall health improvement. Integrating garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar into your diet. Understanding the benefits of garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar is only the first step. Integrating them into your daily diet is where the real transformation begins. These ingredients can be combined or used separately in numerous ways to enhance health. For example, a morning tonic of apple cider vinegar, honey, and warm water can kickstart the day with a health boost. Moreover, incorporating garlic into meals not only enhances flavor, but also increases the nutritional profile of dishes. From garlic-infused broths and stir-fries to marinades, the options are limitless. Honey can be used as a natural sweetener in desserts, teas, and breakfasts, providing a healthier alternative to refined sugars. Engaging with natural remedies, a call to action. As we explore these natural remedies, it's essential to remember that while they offer numerous health benefits, they are not cure-alls. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are crucial for optimal health. However, the addition of these natural ingredients can significantly enhance your health regimen. With that said, thanks for delving into the wonders of garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar. Make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful content on natural health remedies. Explore, experiment, and engage with these gifts from nature to elevate your health and well-being.